In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to make $270 per day on YouTube without recording videos. So this is going to be copy and paste method, and I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do it. So I really suggest you guys to watch this video till end. So before we jump straight into this video, guys, make sure to subscribe because we upload daily videos on this channel on how to make money online, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So guys, let's jump straight into this video. To do is how to make money on YouTube with copy and paste videos. So the first thing that we need to do is you need to go on this website called pixel.com. So if you go on pixel.com, you can get these free images. Anyone can use these images. You're not going to get copyright strike. People actually want you guys to go and download and use these images. But we're going to go on pixel.com/videos. So as you can see right here, we can use these videos and we can create our own videos from these videos, because again, these are free videos. You don't need to pay for anything. You can just go and download them and use them on whatever you want to. So just to play some of the videos, and you can see how beautiful these videos are. I think that these videos are really high quality, and if you want to go and download this video, just click on free download, and you can see, you can say thanks to the creator of this video, and that is how they get exposure. So if you want to go and use this video, you can also go and download it. So I'm playing these videos because it is going to show you, I'm going to show you guys that you can't actually get copyright strike from using these videos. I'm playing them right now on my YouTube channel, and I'm not going to get copyright strike. So you can go and copy these videos. I'm going to explain you guys what are we going to do with this method. So how are you going to use all of these free videos to create your own video and make some money online. So first of all, what are we going to do is you need to go on YouTube and type in motivational speech. So I'm going to explain you guys what are we going to do with this. But first you need to type in motivational speech, go on filter and search for Creative Commons. So a lot of you guys already know what are Creative Commons. You can reuse these videos, but we're not going to use the videos. We're only going to use speech inside those videos. It is not going to make sense in the beginning, but after a while I'm going to explain you guys everything how you can make some money with these videos. So let's play this Creative Commons video. So make sure to enter what you want. You can see motivational speech, go on filter and select Creative Commons. So if we click on this video right here, we can play it, we can use the sound because this video is not, they're not going to give us a copyright strike. So I can play actually this video, and you can see that this video is still going to be monetized because you can go and actually use these videos. So if you go and use this tool, I'm using this tool vidIQ, it is called, to do a research of the video, but you can already see that this video has a lot of views. So if we go and use this tool, we can check how many views this video was getting in past, let's say, 2 years. I think this video is it is almost 3 years old. So you can see how many views this video was getting and also like that. So what are we going to do is we're going to use only the sound from this video. So it is motivational video, as I said. So we're going to copy the link. You're going to use a free YouTube tool. I'm using this one called MP3 Hub. So you can go and copy the link of the video that you want to download, and you're going to download MP3 file. You're not going to download the video, you're only going to download the sound of the video. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. So if we click right here and we click on download, you can see it is going to start converting this video. So you can see that it is converting right now, and in few seconds it is going to start downloading the MP3 file from this video. So we only need the sound of this video. So after we are converting this video, what you should do is and here you can see we have started downloading the video. So while we're downloading the video, or we're not downloading the video, sorry, we are downloading the sound of the video, you want to go and download all of the free videos that can relate to motivation. So let's say this video can relate to motivation. We're going to download it. Maybe we can use this video right here. We can also go and download it. So we need a lot of these videos because we need to create 5 to 10 minute video content. So these videos are not long. They're about let's say 20 seconds or something like that. So you need actually like 20 of these videos to make, let's say, 5 to 7 minute video. So we're going to download a few of them. I'm not going to waste a lot of your guys' time. I'm going to download some random videos just to show you guys how this method works. So here you can see we have downloaded a lot of videos. Now what are we going to do is we're going to create our own videos. So the tool that I use to edit and create my own videos is called Camtasia Studio. So I really like it because it is drag and drop tool, so you don't need any special editing skills. I'm going to show you guys how it works. So I'm going to open this download folder that we have used for our video, and we're going to just go and drag and drop everything. So we're going to drag and drop this video right here. We're going to drag and drop this video right here. We're going to use this one. And also at the end, you want to enter the sound of the video. So right now we have only 1 minute and 20 seconds of the content. So what you want to do is you want to go and download as many videos as you can from pixels.com. And after you're done with that, you want to go back and transfer all of these videos that you have downloaded to Camtasia Studio. So we have a lot of content, and we want to cut this song because it is longer than 1 minute and 20 seconds. So if we play this video, it is going to be, because it is going to be some so here you can see we have a song,
and you get another chance,
and we have motivation in the background
to do better and be better. Another chance to become more.
So I think that this is really amazing because you can see all of these videos are very professional, and it is not, I didn't put every single video in a right moment, so you need to go and work on that. But if we play this video right now, it is going to make sense because these videos are not long. So here you can see these videos are about 20 seconds long. Maybe some of them are even less than 20 seconds. Here you can see this video is a little bit shorter than 15 seconds. So I think that this video is going to look very professional because we're using the videos that can be reused. As I said, from Pixel, you can go and download all of those videos. You can download and reuse them in your YouTube video, and you can start earning some money. So a lot of you guys are going to ask me, how are we going to make some money from these videos? So a lot of you guys already know about AdSense. So once you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can go and monetize these videos with ads. But that is not the only way that we're going to make some money from these videos. If you are my subscriber, you already know about affiliate marketing. So what we can do is we can upload these motivational videos on YouTube, and if you go and do a research, if you type in motivation, you can see that these videos work very well because these videos get millions and millions of views. And we're going to click on view count, so you can see some of the most popular ones. Here you can see this motivational videos has 64 million views. This again, motivational video, 54 million views. So you're not going to get this type of views, but even if you get, let's say on your YouTube channel, whole YouTube channel, you get million views and you monetize it with affiliate marketing and AdSense, you can make pretty decent money from it. So how are we going to do affiliate marketing for our videos? So if you go on clickbank.com, you can go and sign up for free. So click on create account. If you are my subscriber, as I said, you already know about ClickBank. But if you don't know, basically it is affiliate marketing platform where you can go and promote these products and earn a huge commissions, like 75 to 90% commission on each sale. So if we go and click on affiliate marketplace and we click on spirituality right here, you can see these manifestation videos, manifestation products right here. So if we go and click on that product, you can see it is about how you can improve your life, how you can manifest better life, and something like that. So for each product that you sell, on average, you can earn $38.79. But with some upsells, once your customer buys the product, there are going to be some upsells. They're going to offer some different products, and you're also going to earn a commission on that. So you can see with upsells, you can earn $300 per sale. So from, let's say, 1,000 views, you get 1,000 views on your video, and only one person buys this product, you're going to earn $38.79. But if this customer also buys the upsells, you can earn from 1,000 views $300. So you can see how this can be much more profitable than AdSense and some other ways to make some money on YouTube. So if we combine this, making money with affiliate marketing and making money with AdSense, you can combine it and create two different streams of income from one small channel. So that is how you can make some money with copy and paste videos with a small YouTube channel, guys. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to press that like button. Thank you guys for watching. See you soon and bye.